In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable toggle sneak in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. Start by opening Minecraft Java Edition on your computer. Wait for the main menu to fully load so you can access the game settings. Once you are on the main menu, look for the Options button. Click on Options to open the settings area where Minecraft lets you adjust gameplay, controls, accessibility, and other features. After the Options menu opens, find Accessibility Settings and open it. This section includes helpful features that change how certain actions work in the game. It is where you can adjust settings that make movement and interaction more comfortable for your playstyle. Inside Accessibility Settings, look for the Controls option and select it. This will take you to the area where movement behavior and input preferences can be changed. You are looking for the setting related to sneaking. In Minecraft, sneak is usually set to work while you hold the key down. If you want to change that behavior, this is where you do it. Find the sneak setting and change it from hold to toggle. Once this is enabled, you will no longer need to keep the sneak key pressed the entire time. Instead, you can press the key once to start sneaking and press it again to stop. This can make building, edge movement, and careful navigation much easier, especially during longer play sessions. After you switch the setting to toggle, the change should apply right away. You can go back out of the menus and return to your game. To test it, load into a world and press your sneak key once. Your character should stay in sneak mode without you holding the button. Press the same key again, and sneak mode should turn off. If the setting does not seem to work immediately, go back into the menus and confirm that sneak is set to toggle and not hold. Also, make sure you are changing the correct setting in the Controls or Accessibility section, depending on how the menu appears in your version of Minecraft 26.1.2. This is a very simple change, but it can make movement feel much more comfortable if you prefer not to hold the sneak key all the time. It is especially useful for players who spend a lot of time bridging, exploring carefully, or working on precise builds.